Could the Nothing Phone 3 be the most unconventional smartphone on the market? Let's dive right in. The Nothing Phone 3 /Amazon.to/41VSAGU has become a lightning rod for debate. Its quirky design, off-center cameras, and a flagship price for non-flagship specs has divided opinion like never before. But is it really as polarizing as critics claim? I spent 3 weeks testing it, and here's what I found. Chapter 1. A premium feel with a Samsung Edge. From the moment I unboxed it, I felt like I'd received a high-end iPhone experience. But with Samsung's refined touch, the packaging was sleek, and I got a free case, a thoughtful touch. When I powered it on, I was greeted by the Nothing OS 3.5 and Android 15. This is a solid win for me. Chapter 2. iPhone-style design with Samsung's touch. What makes it feel like an iPhone? 2 main factors. First, its weight. 218 grams, matches the iPhone 15 Pro, https://amnz.to, but it's larger, like the Pro Max. Second, the swipe-to-control interface is the default setting. If you prefer 3-button controls, you can toggle that too. It's a clever balance between Android's flexibility and iPhone's simplicity. Samsung-style performance with Android power. Running on Android, the Nothing Phone 3 feels like a Samsung device. While it lacks the full suite of Samsung customization options, the Nothing OS already integrates many of those features into its default look. For example, the Glyph Matrix, its signature design, was a standout, even if it's a bit gimmicky. The back panel's asymmetric design and red square indicator are fun to see, though they're minor details. Chapter 2. The true Picasso of modern phones. The screen is a 6.67-inch, 120Hz OLED with 4500 nits peak brightness. It's a powerhouse for visuals. The front camera is 50 megapixels, and the side buttons are standard. The back features a transparent glass panel with a unique asymmetrical design. The rear camera setup is a triple 50MP setup with a periscope telephoto lens. While the photos are good, they sometimes feel flat. But the Nothing OS handles the camera beautifully. The Glyph Matrix, a gimmick with a twist. The Glyph Matrix is a micro-LED display on the back that changes patterns based on who's calling or messaging. It's a novelty, but for me, it's a nice touch. The haptic button on the back adds another layer of customization. However, some users might find it over the top, especially if they're used to more traditional designs. Design over specs. The Nothing Phone 3, priced at $1,509, 256 gigabytes, or $1,689, 512 gigabytes. The Nothing Phone 3 is a luxury device. It prioritizes user experience over raw specs. The Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 is a powerful chip, but not the top-tier option. Compare it to the Galaxy S25. https://9.com.au/product reviews/tech/Nothing Phone 3 review, pros, cons, specs, features, prices, 8854936B9A1, which offers a Snapdragon 8 Elite for $1,199. It's a smart choice for those valuing usability over benchmarks. Battery life and charging. The 5,150 mAh battery is a game-changer, lasting 2 days with general use. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, https://fave.co/4LNIIBV, has a 5,000 mAh battery, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, https://fave.co/3VGTY40, has a 4685 mAh. It supports 65-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless. The camera performance is decent, though the initial photos might feel flat. The Essential Space feature adds a useful layer, though it requires conscious use. Final verdict, worth the hype? In conclusion, the Nothing Phone 3 is a design-focused, minimalist marvel with top-tier performance. I genuinely enjoyed using it, though I'm not against its appeal. But if you're looking for the absolute best value or a flagship experience, consider waiting. It's a phone that delivers on its promise, but it's not for everyone. What's in the box? The package includes the phone, a USB-C cable, a case, a screen protector, a SIM tool, and a warranty card. The specs are clear, and the durability is impressive. 218 grams, Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, IP68 rating, and water dust resistance. Read more. Nothing headphones. Where I want to get my headphones. You can read the link in your bio, but just stick with me here. And even in the article information tab for this podcast in the private, I'll send you the link. Don't do it. Nothing Headphones 1 review.